If you've watched my other videos, then you know what to do. But if you haven't, that's okay too. Grab yourself a cushion, or a blanket, or a chair. For my little friends, don't forget your favorite toy or stuffed animal. Now, let your parents know that you're going to meditate. They might want to join you, and they can help start your timer. Find a quiet room in the house, sit down on your cushion, or lie down on your blanket, or sit in your chair. Now, set your timer, or ask mom or dad to help you. Position your hands in your lap, or on your belly. Close your eyes. Notice how your body feels. Now take one deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe normally. Focus on your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. In, out. In, out. Try to feel the air coming in and out of your nose, or the rise and fall of your belly. Try to keep all your attention on your nose or your belly. Keep breathing in, breathe out. In, out. In, out. Now, something's going to happen while you do this. Something that happens to everybody who meditates, even Mr. Stevey. Thoughts, ideas, memories, feelings, they're going to pop in your head, like popcorn popping in the microwave. Ideas and thoughts are going to pop in your head. It could be the sound of my voice, or something I said, or something going on in your house. Maybe somebody's watching TV or playing music or talking on the phone. Maybe you hear things going on outside, like a dog barking or birds chirping or someone cutting their grass. It could be something that happened yesterday or a week ago. It could be something that hasn't even happened yet. Whatever it is, it's interrupting you paying attention to your breath. So because we are now watching our thoughts and not getting carried away with them, we can gently remind ourselves to go back to the breath. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. And I'll keep doing that. Until the timer goes off. And then we're done. We can open our eyes. Congratulations, friends. You did it. You did the 1-minute micro meditation challenge. I knew you could do it. Now, for those of you who feel like you didn't do it right, don't worry. Keep working on it. I know you can do it. But if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for meditating, my friends. And stay calm.